We'll continue with the conditional probability. So look at the question number 8. Question number 8. A die is thrown 3 times. A die is thrown 3 times. Okay, then E is the event. 4 appears on the third toss. 4 appears on third toss. Then F is 6 and 5 appears respectively on the first 2 tosses. 6 and 5 appears on the first 2 tosses. Find, the question is E condition F. Okay, so first you see what is the sample space S. The S will be 3 dice, die thrown 3 times or 3 dice thrown once is same. The sample space will be 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 like this. Last one will be 6 6 6. So total number of events is 216. Okay, now 4 appears on the third one, means E try to see here 1 1 4, third one 1 2 4 1 3 4. Look at here, every time 4 is coming on the third one. 1 4 4 1 5 4 1 6 4. We started with 1. Okay, then 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 4 on the third. Then 2 1 2 1 4 2 2 4 2 3 4. Let's continue from here. 2 3 4 2 4 4 2 5 4 2 6 4 3 1 4 3 2 4 3 2 4 3 3 4 3 5 4 3 6 4 4 1 4 4 2 4 4 3 4 4 5 4 4 6 4 5 1 4 5 2 4. I hope you should get the sequence. 5 3 4 5 4 4 5 5 4 5 6 4 6 1 4. Again you can check it. 6 2 4. Let me continue here. Let me write here. So that is 6 2 4 6 3 4 6 4 4. Okay, 6 5 4 6 6 4. So if you count, how many you are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34. I hope we have not missed anything. 6 It should be 36 actually. 114, 124, 134, 144, 154, 164. So like this it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 4. One is missing here. 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3. So let me check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is missing again here. 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 4. One is missing. 4, 4, 4. Okay. So total became 36. Then F. What is F? 6, 5 appears on the first two. So that means it is 6, 5, 1. First two means 6, 5. 6, 5, 2. 6, 5, 3. 6, 5, 4. 6, 5, 5. 6, 5, 6. 6 and 5 appears on the first two tusses. Is not the it could be 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Then what is E intersection F? Common. Common will be which one? Common will be 6, 5, 4 will be common because this is common to both. 6, 5, 4 you can check here. 6, 5, 4. Then 6, 5, 5, 6, 4 also will be there. Only these two can be common on this. Then probability E condition F, probability E intersection F by PF. Okay. So PF will be, this is how many? 2. PF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 1 upon 6. Okay. Now let's see another question on this. That is question number 9. Board is small. We have to manage. So question number 9. Question number 9 is mother, father, son line up at random for a family. Mother, father, son line up at random for a family picture. Family picture. Okay. Then E is the event. Son on one end. Son on one end. F is father in the middle. Okay, you are asked to find E condition F. Okay, mother, father, son line up for a family. What are the possibility of sample space? Could be father, mother, son. This is one lineup. Father, son, mother. Means keep father fixed, change these two. Or mother, son, father. Or mother, father, son. Means first father fixed, then mother fixed, then son fixed. Son, father, mother. Son, mother, father. These are the all possible outcomes. Then what you have? F is son on one end. Son on one end. Means which are the possibilities? This is one. Father, mother, son. Then here is mother, father, son. Son at one end. Could be this end or this end also. Son, father, mother. Son, mother, father. Okay, son in one end, you can check now. Then father in the middle. So F will be F. Which one is father in the middle? Find out from sample space. Father in the middle means one is here. Son, father, mother. Then anywhere else, mother, father, son. Mother, father, son. Okay. Then what is E intersection F? Common element. You can see son, father, mother. Son, father, mother is here. Mother, father, son. Mother, father, son is also here. That means both you are taking. Son, father, mother. Mother, father, son. Okay, probability E condition F. Probability E condition F, that is probability E intersection F by PF. The E intersection is two elements. F also two elements, that means it is 1. Simple, only thing you have to know how to find E and F, not so difficult. Let's continue. Some more questions on this. Let me go to question number 11, be different. Question number 11. A fair die is rolled. Consider events E equals to 1, 3, 5. F equals to 2, 3. G equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then you are asked to find, first question, probability E condition F. This is simple. So for that you would find out what is E intersection F. What is E intersection F? Common you find, 3 is common. So probability E condition F, probability E intersection F by PF. E intersection F has one element, 1 upon F. F has how many? 2. So 1 upon 2. Similarly, F condition E. probability F condition E. That is probability of F intersection E divided by P. This always comes down E. So that is also 1, because F intersection E, E intersection F, both are same. This is 1, PE, E is 3. Okay, these two parts are easy. Okay, let's see. We'll go to second one is homework for you. EG, GE, E you can do. Second part homework. Let's see third part. Third part is E union G, sorry, union F condition G. Okay, then consider this as one set. What is E union F? E and F ka union. So all the elements you will take, common you will take ones. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 5. Then when you go for condition of probability, this set intersection this set. Now what is E union F intersection G? Because first set intersection second one. So if you check it, that will be how much? Look at here, or I can write here. This 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Common is what? 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Now probability E union F condition G equals to probability intersection of these two. E union F intersection G divided by PG. This is how much? 3 elements. 3 by G, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 by 4. I hope you can check it. 3 by 4. Similarly, next part is, that is E intersection F condition G. E intersection F condition G. Okay, that means you have to find out what is E intersection F. E F ka intersection, that is what? 3. E intersection F, again intersection of G you have to take. Common between this and this is also 3 in the set form. Okay, so you get probability E intersection F condition G E intersection F intersection G by PG. This is one element. G is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple now. Okay, next question, very interesting. Try to see. Bit lengthy written here. If you see now, question number 12. That is, assume that each born child is equally likely. Assume that each born child is equally likely what? To be a boy or a girl. To be a boy or a girl. If a family has 2 children, family has 2 children, family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that, here the clue starts now, what is the conditional probability that both are girls, given that first part of the question, youngest is a girl, then at least one is girl. Second part, at least, important word, at least one is a girl. Okay, so look, what you have to do is 2 children का sample space, like first is boy, B1 means the first child is boy, second could be boy, B1 B2, or first is boy, second child is girl, possibility है, or first is girl, second is boy, first is boy, second boy, first boy, second girl, or first girl, second is boy, or both are girls. These are all possibilities now. Then comes up, what is the conditional probability? This is the probability you want to find out. Conditional probability that both are girls. This is E for you. E stands for both are girls. That means this is the only one, G1, G2. Given that means this is F for you, first part. F is youngest is girl. Youngest is girl means the second child is girl. You can look at here, second child means you can take B1, G2. This is also second child is girl, G1, G2. Okay, so what is E intersection F then? So E intersection F, which one? G1, G2, one event. Then probability, look at what is the probability, that is your E required, F is always condition, this is always condition. So that will be E intersection F by PF. The probability remains here, condition in down. So this is the condition, youngest is a girl. So that will be one element, F has how many element? 2, 1 upon 2. Second condition, suppose this is G, that is at least one child is a girl. At least one child is a girl. How to find? Okay. So at least means what? At least one means one and more. Means one girl and two girls. So one girl means this one you can take. B1, G2, G1, B2, G1, G2. At least one means one girl and two girls. Then what will be E intersection G? E intersection G equals to, you can see here E and G, G1, G2. Then what will be? What will be probability E condition G? E condition G, E intersection G divided by PG. This is one. G has how many elements? 3 elements. Okay. Next, we can check one more question. 13. Is bit lengthy. Let us see. An instructor has question bank, has a question bank consisting of 300 easy true false question. Easy, underline this, easy true false questions. Okay. Then 200 difficult true false questions. True false questions. Okay. 500 easy multiple choice questions. 500 easy multiple choice questions. Okay. 400 difficult multiple choice questions. Difficult multiple choice questions. Okay. Then what is the probability that, sorry, if a question is selected at random, if a question is selected at random from question bank, what is the probability that, it will be an easy question. It will be an easy question given that it is a multiple choice question. Given that it is a multiple choice questions. Okay. See now. Remember, look, what is the probability that it will be an easy question? This is your E, given that is F. Okay. Now, if I write, look at here, 300 easy true false questions. Let's write down here the datas. 300 easy true false questions, 300. Then 200 difficult true false questions. 200 difficult true false questions. Then comes up, look at here, 500 easy multiple choice questions. Easy true false, easy multiple choice. Easy multiple choice questions, 500. Then 400 difficult multiple choice questions. Difficult multiple choice questions. Okay. Now come to our question. What is the probability that it will be an easy question? Easy question will be E for us. So let's find out what is E. E stands for easy questions. Look at, easy question is this, easy question is this. Total easy questions how many? 300 plus 500. 300 plus 500, that is 800. Then comes up, given that is F, it is a multiple choice question. F is multiple choice questions. So, look at here, which one is multiple choice question? Multiple choice question is here, multiple choice question is here. That means 500 plus 400. That is 900. Okay. What is E intersection F? What is common between E and F? Common between E, F, and you can find 500. Okay. Now, what is probability E condition F? Remember, given that is always here. That means probability E intersection F by PF. This is how many? Actually, this is numbers actually. So write number. Then it is easy for us. Number of F. Okay. So this is 500. F is how much? 900. That is 5 by 9. Next. Question number 14 is very interesting. 14. Question number 14 is, given the two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different. Okay, find the probability. That the sum of number on the dice is 4. The sum of the number on the dice is 4. I'll give a hint, you can do it. What is your sample space? 1 1 1 2 1 3, like this. 2 dice, 6 6, that is 36. Look at, given that this is your F, given two dice appearing are different, like this is not different, this is different, this is different. So like this, how many you will not take? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 you will not take. That means it will be 1 2 1 3, like this, and 6 5. Means from 36 you are taking out like this, 1 2 6 you will take out. That means 36 minus 6, that is 30. Okay, then comes a sum of the numbers on the die is 4. E, sum is 4. Which number you will take? Sum will be 4. Now 1 3, because sum is 4. 3 1, 2 2, 2 2 also. 1 3 3 1 2 2, like this. Any other? Not possible. Then what is E intersection F? So E intersection F, that is, which one is coming? These two are there, because this number is not present in this. Same number is not present. So 1 3 3 1, because there are so many numbers here. 1 3 3 1 will be there. Now probability, this is given to us, this is sum is 4, means E condition F. Given that E is always here. So probability E intersection F by PF. That means 2 by 30 is 1 upon 15. Okay. Now see the next one. 15. I will not write the question. 15 I am reading. You try to see it from your textbook. Try to see. Consider an experiment of throwing a die. Achha. If multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again. If multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again. Okay. Then if other number comes up, toss a coin. Other number comes up, throw a coin. Okay, first you make a simple space on this. So die means what? Die has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what is your sample space? If multiple of 3 comes up, means if 3 and 6 comes up, throw the die again. So our sample space will be, if 3 comes up, throw the die again. That means it will be 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Similarly, multiply of 3, 6 also. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. If any other number comes out, other number means what? 1, 2 and 1, 2, 4, 5. Throw the coin. Means 1 tail, 1 head. 2 tails, 2 head. 3 already gone. 4 tails, 4 head. Okay. 5 tails, 5 head. These are the all possible outcomes from the sample space. What you want to find out? You want to find out, find the conditional probability of the event that coin shows tail. So you want to find F or E, the coin shows tail. So you have to pick up from the sample space which one is the coin shows tail. That means 1T, 2T, 3T is not here, 4T, 5T. Okay, this is what you want to find probability. What is given to us? Given that at least one die shows 3. F is at least one die shows 3. Means how many from this sample space? See, one die showing 3. 1, 2, at least one. At least one means 1 and more. This also you can take. So that will be 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay. Then what will be E intersection F? What is your E intersection F? You see here, nothing is common. That means empty set. So probability E condition F, E intersection F by PF. Empty set का probability तो 0, PF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 0. So this is all about this chapter. I think 1 or 2 questions are left out. You try to complete. Tomorrow I will start new article.